Hello class 2. So welcome to your English literature class. Children, we were discussing the word wall of chapter 1 page number 19 in the previous class, isn't it? Now we will go to the next exercise. Now we will do grammar time. Okay, this is grammar time. Same page number. Page number is 19. Okay, and see today what we will do here. Students, you all know that the names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words, isn't it? And the another name of this is noun. So naming words are also called nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. This is you all know, isn't it? Now we will go to one and many in this exercise. So one and many means what? It is also known to you. One. This side we will write many. Okay. One and many. Suppose I have a pen. What I'll write? If it is 1 in number, I will write pen. If I have more than one, means many, more than one pen, what I write? Pens. So what is the rule? I will add here S. Then it becomes many from 1. Suppose one boy and many boys. One girl, many girls. Here what we are adding? Simply S. We are adding S only. And there are many rules for changing the one noun from one to many. In this page we will discuss about one rule. Okay, how we will change a noun from one to many that ends with the letter Y. Okay, so let us see the rules for changing a noun from singular to plural or from one to many that ends with Y. Suppose I say baby. B-A-B-Y. Okay. And here I have seen that means one baby. This word ends with the letter Y. When a noun ends with the letter Y and we have to change it to many, what is the rule that we have to follow? See the rule. This will become B-A-B. Now we will cut Y. We will not write Y here. In place of Y, I will write I plus ES. Okay. It will become babies. Okay. I have replaced Y with I. Then I have added ENS. It has become from baby to babies. Clear? Wherever you will find such words, you will have to replace Y by with I, and then you have to add ES to it. Okay, this is a rule, and you have to follow this in English. Okay, now come to the exercise, page number 19. See, change the following words from one to many. One has been done for you. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words are given, 5 nouns. Okay, now you have to change it from singular to plural, and you can see that all the nouns ends here with Y. So what is the rule? Y will be replaced by I, replaced with I, and then we have to add es to it. Okay, suppose here one is done Cherry, cherry. So it is Cherry, we have replaced Y with I and then added es. See, Cherries, cherries. Same formula we will follow with the rest of the words here. Okay, now see the next word given here is puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Now when we'll change it from one to many, what we will do? We will write P-U-P-P in place of Y. What we will write? I. Then we will add es. It will become puppies. One puppy, many puppies. Okay. Then the next one is story. Story. So story will be S-T-O-R-Y. Story. Then how we will change it? See. S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Stories. Story has become stories. Okay. So the next one I am rubbing here. See what is the next one? Next, country. What is the name of your country? One country, many countries. So what is how we will write country? One. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. So when you are changing it to many, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y will change into I, then E-S. Countries. Next is city. One city, many cities. So again here C-I-T, then I-E-S. Cities. This way we will change the noun from one to many if the noun ends with Y. And there are many more rules of changing. Okay, one by one we will discuss it in the next class. Okay, thank you. I hope all of you have done. So do it in the book itself. Where you will do this one in your book. Okay, then in the next class we will go to the next page. Okay children, see, today I am giving you one assignment. So you all know what is a special name or an exact name of a particular person, isn't it? So let me tell you few things about this. Special name are called what? Proper noun, isn't it? Special names. Special name means when we are talking about a particular person, particular place. Okay, so they are called proper noun. Means proper nouns. And we all know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. And what is proper noun? When we are taking a special name, an exact name. Suppose there are many boys or girls in the class. So if I say class 2, if I say Khushi stand up, so I am taking Khushi's name, isn't it? So I am talking about a particular girl. If I say Bikram stand up. Bikram is a boy in your class. So if I say Bikram stand up, Khushi stand up, Ayush stand up. So I am taking the name of particular boys. So Ayush, Khushi, Bikram, all they are special name means they are known as proper noun. Suppose I live in Kolkata. Kolkata is name of a city. Now I can say that there are many people who lives in cities. Okay. But when I say I live in Kolkata, now Kolkata is a specific name of a city. So Kolkata is a proper noun, or we can say special name given to a city. Kolkata. Kolkata. Then Ravi. Ravi is, suppose Ravi is name of a boy. Ram, etc. They are all special name. Okay. They are called exact name. So in this page, that is page number 20, take number 1 as homework. Okay. Page number is 20. Homework. Page number 21. First one. Okay, the first one you will do. Write a special name of for each thing on the list given below. Remember to use capital letter. Children, always remember that proper noun, the first letter of a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Suppose Kolkata, K will be capital always. If I am taking someone's name, Ravi, Ram, Sham, whatever. So all the first letter of each word will be of capital letter. Okay. So see, number 1 is your homework. This is number 1, page number 1. You have to fill it up in the book itself. This page you have to fill up. Okay. See, write a special name for each thing on the list given below. Remember to use capital letters. Okay. See, your first name, everyone, each one of you, all of you are having a book. So you will write down the special name, the exact name. Your first name, then your last name, that is your surname, the name of your school, okay, then the name of the village or town or city you live in, then the name of your country. Okay, you all know what is the name of your country. So fill up this one. This will be your homework. Do in the book itself. Okay, where you will do? Number 1 is homework. Do in the book. Okay. Page number 20 is your homework. So you will do it in your book. Okay. Your name, because all these are the special name, proper noun, and you have to fill up this with all the special names. So everyone will write their own name, own surname, that is the last name, your school's name, the name of village, town or city where you live, then the name of your country. Done? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.